Display size. Google Pixel 8 is 6.2 inches. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 6.73 inches. Display resolution. Google Pixel 8 is 1080 into 2400 pixels, with 428 ppi density. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 1440 into 3200 pixels, with 522 ppi density. Display type. Google Pixel 8 is OLED. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is LTPO AMOLED. Display protector. Google Pixel 8 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Operating system. Google Pixel 8 is Android 14. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, HyperOS. Chipset. Google Pixel 8 is Google Tensor G3. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Processor. Google Pixel 8 is Nonacore processor. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is octa-core processor. GPU. Google Pixel 8 is Immortalis G715S MC10. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Adreno 740. RAM. Google Pixel 8 is 8 GB. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 12 GB and 16 GB. ROM. Google Pixel 8 is 128 GB and 256 GB. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Front camera. Google Pixel 8 is 10.5 MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 32 MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Google Pixel 8 is 50 MP wide and 12 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 50 MP wide, 50 MP telephoto, 50 MP periscope telephoto, and 50 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. Google Pixel 8 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Google Pixel 8 is 4,575 mAh battery, with 27 watt fast charging. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 5,000 mAh battery, with 90 watt fast charging. Spec winner.